Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix internet connection problem or no internet in Windows 11. So let's start the video. The first method is open your Windows Explorer and select this PC option and right click on this PC option. After that click on show more option and after that select here manage option. Okay, after that click on device manager option and under network adapter select Realtek PC controller, family controller. Select here your network adapter. Okay, your network adapter name is here. So as your network adapter name is here, so select here same network adapter under device manager. Okay, this is your network adapter name. Okay, Realtek, this is your network adapter name. After that, right click on this option and update driver and click on search automatically. After that, right click again on this option and click on properties and after that click on driver tab and after that click here update driver. Okay, and select second option and let me pick this option and select here your internet, your network adapter here. So we select here our network adapter. Your adapter successfully updated here. Close it and check your internet connection is working or not. Close it and again right click on it, properties, power management, and if this option is checked, uncheck it and click on OK and check your internet connection is working or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, we trying to another method and right click on start button and click on run option and select here ncpa.cpl, type here ncpa.cpl and click on OK button. After that select here your network adapter, right click on it and click on properties option. Okay, after that select here this option. If this option is unchecked, please check it and click on properties. If this option is selected, use the following address. Select here automatically option both for DNS and IP address. Click on close button and select here your internet working is not. Okay, if this option is not working, right click on again and click on disable and after that right click on and click enable option and check your internet connection is working or not. If this problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on this icon and click on diagnostic network problem. So guys, here is some option for you. Try a different website. Please open another website and check the internet cable. Restart your modem router and switch. Restart your PC and check these all options. Okay. If your problem is not fixed here, we are going another method. Set your date or time proper time. Okay. Set your date or time here. Click on additional clock, date and time, select here. Okay, select your time zone also. click on OK. So set your date or time here. Okay. If your problem is not fixed, right click again on this option. If you set any VPN, you add any VPN, please remove it. And if you set any proxy, remove it. Click on if is off, on, off.